YouTube. Say hi. Say hello.
Hello, YouTube.
No, not you. I'm talking to the father. Say hi.
Hi,
Fine,
YouTube.
No, Mari, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my father. Okay, you have to help me make a character. So choose the hair. Choose the hair. Stop looking at the TV and help me. Come on, just press on the cute hair you want, please. If you choose a cute hair, then I'll do anything, I guess. I'll leave you alone once you choose a hair that you want. If you don't like any, oh, you want that one? Oh, wow, very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, now I have to choose some more.
No, you said one.
No. The whole point of making a character is to have your whole look nice and good. So please, come on. Daddy, come on. Choose a character. You won't choose a character? Okay, then Mari, help me. Choose a hair. Choose the hair you want.
Look at Beerus. That nigga scared of that nigga.
Choose one, Mari. You like that one? Okay. Now choose it. Choose one.
Nigga shook at that nigga. That little nigga's a killer.
Yeah, I can tell.
Everybody bowing. Even Beerus. Beerus is a god. And he's still bowing.
Look how small he is. Daku! Oh wow, very interesting look, Mari. Oh, you just choose this. Okay. No, you don't deserve a ponytail. Your hair is really short because you cut it. Like you cut, G. Alright. Now, what color do you want your hair to be?
Red. Bad guy, really?
No face.
He's a bad guy that's friends with Goku.
No tips. Oh, we can't even remember that. Okay. Alright, now the face. Alright, Mari, choose some eyes. Choose some eyes that you want. Oh, interesting eyes. Okay, what color do you want them to be? That color. Wow, he looks like a scary vampire. What do you want his eyebrows to look like? Wow, interesting choice there. Okay, now. Oh, you want that? Wow, very interesting.
I'm a vampire.
Wow. Okay, do you want some glasses or no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, pretty good choice. Do you want any accessories, like face accessories? Oh, that's crime.
No. No.
That looks like blood. If you make it red, it's gonna be blood. You want me to turn the page?
Mask.
A mask? Oh, it's Corona. Okay. So, Mari, now what color do you... No, I don't want to move this extra quarter thing. Okay. What color do you want the glasses to be? Red. You're choosing red so much, bro. Okay. What color do you want those little spike parts to be? Like the little light blue? What color? Blue. Alright. More of a neon color. Alright, what color do you want the dark blue to be instead? Choose whatever color you want. Again. Good. Alright. He's doing pretty good so far. Alright, now for the clothes. Any of these?
Ew.
If you, oh my god, if you don't want any of those, just press that.
No.
Do you want any of those?
None of them.
None of them?
No, go. Wait, oh wait.
Mario. Go, wait. Mario! I don't, sorry Jimbo Slice, I don't want to watch you right now. Okay.
Wait, this.
Oh, you want a tuxedo. Alright, what color? Black.
You know, they're always black, so.
Alright, sleeves. What? Do you want any of these or no? Oh, okay, like a hoodie tuxedo. Oh wait, that color doesn't really matter. Alright, choose the pants that you want. If you don't want any of them, you can just press this button.
What if I feel like old? No, I'm not wearing some bun ties. I'm not a girl, I'm a boy.
Okay.
These look good.
Oh.
I used to always wear those when I used to wear those.
Alright.
I'm wearing a whole tuxedo.
Okay, so you want it to be black. What color do you want the little bottom spike parts to be? Red.
I'm Flash.
Your Flash. Oh, okay. I thought Flash was red and yellow. Okay, what shoes do you want? If you don't want any of them, remember this button. Okay, some bear shoes. Alright, what color do you want this to be?
Red.
Red. Alright, what color do you want the bows to be?
Yellow.
Yellow? That good?
Yeah.
Alright, do you want a hat or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Choose whatever hat you want.
Crown?
A crown?
Yeah.
Alright. What color?
Light blue.
Light blue, he says. Okay, perfect.
No.
Alright. Do you want like some other accessories?
Yes.
Yeah?
I like this.
Okay. It's taking over the little glasses, but you can see them on the sides. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's pretty cool. Do you want like the neck accessory?
I'm wearing that because that Flash mask cut off a little bit.
Ooh, okay. Alright, what color do you want the scarf?
Black.
Black. Alright, what about the other part? Alright, blue. Blue, he says. Okay. What color do you want the wings? Oh, wait.
This ginormous thing.
Those big wings? Okay, what color do you want? Geez, so much black. Alright, what other one do you want?
Black.
Black?
My wings are supposed to be black. Everybody's wings are black, right?
I guess. Alright.
Oh, this, I never had done this in a long time because I can't find anything.
Okay. That's a cross thingy. Here.
I want it.
Alright, now choose the color. Alright, let's do the
Black.
black. You always want everything black. Oh wait, we forgot the tail. Do you want a tail or no?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. Yes, a little bit of everything. Alright.
Black.
What color? Mari, why do you love the color black so much? Alright,
It's one of my favorite colors.
part of your favorite color. Alright. Are you serious?
I'm just kidding. I like light blue.
Light blue. Oh, finally some new colors. You've been choosing black the entire time.
Yes, the weapons. I'm not putting this black.
Do you want any weapons?
Yes.
Yep.
I love weapons. Sword.
Sword. Alright. Alright, what color do you want?
Well, it's black.
Bruh!
and then a new color.
Fine.
Now, light blue.
Light blue. Alright. Alright, next prop. Look at that sword.
That's humongous.
Humongous? Wait, look
Lightsaber!
at... Whoa! You want that one?
Yeah.
Alright. What color do you want it to be? Black? Oh my gosh, you're choosing black so much. Yeah, that actually looks cool.
And I'm gonna put red.
Red. Shield. Alright, what shield do you want? Oh! That looks like... This one looks like Captain America's shield.
And this one too.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like any of those ones.
You don't want no shield?
Yeah, I want you.
Okay.
This.
That one.
Alright.
Purple? Black? Alright. What next color?
White.
White? Ooh, okay.
Cookie Oreo cereal.
What do you want his name to be? It can't be your name.
Brian.
You want his name to be what?
Brian.
Brian? Spelled. Do you want Bryan or Brian?
The one with the I.
BR. Okay.
Pizza down.
Okay, I'm gonna eat pizza in a second. Brian. Alright. Mari, so is he a friend? Is he a younger sister or brother? Is he a mother? Is he a father? Is he a stranger? Is he an older sister? Is he an older brother? Whatever.
A regular brother.
A younger brother or an older brother?
Younger.
Younger brother? Alright. Is he always happy, sad, angry, calm, clumsy, sweet, manly, girly, arrogant, childish? You know, what is he? Is he dumb? Is he annoying? Is he jealous?
Annoying.
Annoying? I don't know if annoying. Oh yeah, annoying is on this. Okay. Unknown. Alright. So edit info. So character info. When's his birthday?
May 10th.
Hey. When is his birthday? Oh my god, I didn't know Goku has such long yellow hair. Did you see that? His hair is so long. Imagine.
Listen, he has a hair that can chew a humongous like
Oh my god, Mark. Okay, when is his birthday? It cannot be your birthday.
May 9th.
May 9th?
Oh, when's my birthday?
Hey, I'm recording. No personal info is included in this video.
You can say my birthday.
Not in my video.
Oh, it takes so long to go to my kid.
Okay, so May 9th, he says. Alright. So Mai, how old is he? It cannot be your actual age.
I know.
How old?
5.
5? Only 5? Okay. Character's location. I'm just gonna put unknown. Wait, no. Hey, do not say a thing. Unknown. Okay. She's not pressing anything. Alright, Mar, what is his goal? What is his dream?
Being a superhero.
To be a superhero. What is his favorite food or drink?
Soda.
Soda. Okay, soda. What is his favorite color?
Black.
Black. That's dark. Favorite hobby. Like, what is his favorite thing to do?
Bother people.
Bother people? Okay. Bother people. Short quote. Hola. Alright.
No game. One more game.
Alright.
Brightness all the way high. I keep telling her stop that.
Okay. Well,
Listen.
wait, Mari. You still have not chose the skin color. I literally almost forgot.
Can I put my skin color on it?
Do whatever you want, Mari. Okay, wow. What an interesting skin tone. Wow, beautiful. Okay, now Mari, what pose? If you don't like any of these poses, can you turn your tablet down? It's so loud, I'm sure the viewers can't even hear. Okay, so Mari, what pose do you want? If you don't like the pose, just press this.
22 poses?
Yeah, 22 pages of poses.
No. 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 Wait, it skips up. Wait.
Look, he's shaking his butt.
No.
Daddy, my tablet.
Yeah, I like this because the sword is all the way up.
All right.
Daddy, focus on my
Okay.
tablet.
Well,
What?
if you and
Daddy,
if
focus on my tablet.
Telling
Azaria.
me what to do. Focus on your tablet.
Shush, shush,
Get
shush,
out
shush,
of here.
shush, shush. I'm done with my video. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go edit it.
Beat her butt. Focus on my tablet. You hear her?
No.
Where you think you are, dude?
Okay, well, I guess I'm done with this video. Now I have to do some editing. Bye, guys.